Papanoorin natin ang naging casting reel video ni Rochelle Hocco for MUPH 2025 in partnership with Zonrock Scholar Safe.
I experience a lot of things when it comes to criticism, but I am a type of person who always look into a positive things. My power is to transform the negativity into a positive thing. So I really wanted to enjoy a lot of things. I really wanted to show to social media who am I. And as long as I'm not hurting anybody, I don't need to be bothered.
True naman, like, as long as wala kang tinatapakang tao, 'di ba? Pero anyhow, ang simple lang nung kanyang look for this
Yes.
challenge, for this casting video, and nasanay naman na din tayo na napapanood siya sa kanyang mga vlogs, sa yung pag-uwi niya galing Dubai. So we're so proud of her din na kumbaga she represents the OFWs, and especially from Dubai pa talaga. So that's why we love her, and I'm watching her vlogs din talaga. How about you?
Ako naman surprising na she sounds so clear and magaling din siyang magsalita. I love na kaya niyang i-carry yung ganong mga simple dress lang, ganyan, kaya niyang irampa, ganyan, very sunny yung kanyang personality.
Gaya ng sabi mo, when it comes to her comm skills, for me, siguro meron pa siyang ikaka-improve pa.
Yes.
Though, who are we to judge naman first time niya sa national pageant and all that. Pageantera din talaga to si Rochelle Hocco, and hindi naman natin siya ma-judge kung ganun siya magsalita kasi pure Filipino lang din naman siya. And yeah, we're so proud of her. Regarding din naman dun sa kanyang na-share na experience is, hindi talaga yun maiiwasan as a social media personality na ma-judge ka ng mga, di ba, ng mga netizens, ganyan. So, it's a matter of how you can transform the negative comments or criticisms into a positive one, or just get inspired by it to do better, be better the next time.
I think yung mga ganyang usapan is very timely kasi marami na ring mga kabataan ngayon ang nag-venture into doing contents, ganyan. So, it's good to have yung thoughts ng mga nauna, kagaya ni Rachel in Dubai, na paano ba nila i-handle yung mga ganong criticism.